Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to study for AP Calc AB exam. Start by setting realistic daily goals and blocking focused study times. Break topics into limits, derivatives, integrals, and applications so each session has a clear focus. Use active recall and explain concepts allowed to reinforce understanding. Mix timed practice with untimed review to build speed and depth. Keep notes concise and regularly revisit weak areas for steady improvement. Gather a few high-quality resources and stick with them consistently. Choose an official practice exam bank, a clear review guide, and a set of short video explanations for tricky topics. Schedule one full practice exam every 1 to 2 weeks and review every missed problem carefully. Practice with your graphing calculator to speed up computations and visual intuition. Build a short formula sheet you can recite daily to keep core ideas fresh. Focus practice on quality over quantity with intentional problem selection. Begin with a quick recap of essential formulas and theorems, then solve targeted problems that challenge weak spots. Alternate between free response and multiple choice to mirror real exam demands. Time 2 or 3 full practice exams under strict conditions to build stamina and pacing. After each practice, analyze errors and create short drills for recurring mistakes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.